I don't sound English. Let me make it. Tired now. Natalia, could you ask Margaret a question?
Actually, I got the job.
What is this future tense called? Anybody?
Future simple continuous, God knows.
When we ask short questions, we need... Sorry, guys. Are you going to the lesson today? Answer yes.
Yes.
Yeah, but I want a little bit more. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on.
Yes, I was.
Good try. It's not right, but thank you. Margaret, are you going to the lesson today?
Yes, I will.
Good try. It's not right. Natalia, are you going to the lesson today?
Yes, I'm going to the lesson.
Good try. It's not right. Sabina, are you going to the lesson today? I just want a short answer.
Yes, I am.
Thank you. But I'd like you just to add the verb to be in there. My head.
Is that froze?
No, I don't. No, I don't know.
Not 4 minutes, it's froze.
Morning. Yeah. Have you had bread? Yeah. She doesn't even give me a short answer to the question. Yeah. No. Yeah. Bye. Buy this book.
Not
by
yet.
Raymond Murphy. It's really important. You need this book. I can't teach you everything. You need, this is my other teacher. 2 teachers. He's much cheaper than me. Damn it. And we learn from each other's mistakes. That's the best bit. Why do I put you through so much pain? I think I just have great fun.